Well, I'm really getting close now. I got the bracket on there just to see how it lines up, and it is straight up and down, so that worked out really nice. So I have to get a 7/16 pin to go through there. Doesn't need a bolt, just a pin. It steers effortlessly. There's no resistance at all to the steering. Back turned out really nice. Got a nice little contour to it, make it look a little different. I didn't want something that looked cheap and cheesy. And there's the top. There's a little contour to that also. And this will hold a 1/2-inch waterproof connector. And that'll screw down on top of there. I'm going to take these 1/4-inch bolts out, and I'm going to use stainless steel 1/4-inch set screws, and I'll put the nuts, which are inside the plastic itself, inside there, so I don't have any corrosion. But yeah, I'm very happy with the way it's turning out. And, put my little logo on there, CE. Stripped, primed, and painted the motor itself. Now I have to shorten that shaft. I got a mark here where I'm going to shorten it. But I've been thinking about ordering me a 24-inch piece of 316 stainless steel, threading the end and beveling the top of it, make it nice and smooth, and using it, make it saltwater proof, or saltwater worthy. And here's my steering arm. I'm going to have to come up with a linkage. I was going to use a ball joint here, but it's not quite enough travel in a ball joint to do it, so I'm going to come up with something for this PVC pipe. And I've already got a handle made for the end of it, and I'm going to make I got the track here. I'm going to put the track here, and then I'll make a standoff to hold that steering rod up about this high. And then it'll be connected here to the back. And then I'm debating on whether I want to put the PWM controller up under here. I want to give it plenty of ventilation, but that still may not be enough ventilation being enclosed in there. Either putting it in there or making something where the battery is going to go. I don't know. I'm going to get a little 30 amp battery. I'm not going to get a big one. A little 30 amp hour LiPo battery here. It won't take up much room, and I might put the PWM in an open case. You know, if it gets wet and damaged, I'll just replace it. But it definitely needs to breathe, even though this trolling motor only pulls about 35 amps. Wide open, 17-pound thrust. It's going to have to be well ventilated. You have to get cool air to it. And then I printed this track out. I'm going to put it here. And the remote control for my PWM is going to come off of a ram ball joint here to here. And then I'll have the remote control up on top.